Today, I want to show you 2 ways to fix 2015 Toyota Sienna dirt road seat stuck problem. This fix won't cost you any money. First, take out the 2 screws. Then slide out the plastic handle. You will see 2 wire cables underneath. The right cable controls the seat release. The left cable controls the headrest release. Detach both cables from the plastic handle. The reason your car seat won't release or unlock is due to plastic piece holding the seat release cable cracked. We will fix this issue. Tuck away the left cable. Then reroute the right cable to the left side. Then connect the right cable or seat release cable to the left side of the plastic handle hook, which is not broken. Then mount the plastic handle back. Using this method, you must manually release the headrest first before you pull the seat release handle. Now you have a working dirt road seat again. To repair this problem, the correct way is to purchase a new plastic handle, then perform the following steps to install the new handle. If you rearrange the wire cables using my first method, you need to put the cables back to the original arrangement. I have a link to the replacement plastic handle in the video description below. Hook the left side and right side wire cables onto the plastic handle. Make sure you put the cable tie back into correct position. The cable tie will prevent cable wires sliding out from the mounting location. Then mount the plastic handle back. If you find this video helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.